Hi, my dear participants. This is Dr. Jafar Ali, the RDC Secretary of the 3 days workshop program. I welcome you all for this concluding part of our 3-day online workshop program. At the outset, I would like to thank the Almighty for having given us His blessings and support to conduct this 3-day online national level workshop on DNA barcoding in a grand success manner with huge participants. Dear participants, I congratulate you all for having completed this 3-day course. I would like to thank our management, Vaniyambadi Muslim Education Society, and our beloved principal, Dr. T. Muhammad Ilyas sir, for having given us full support and facilities to conduct this program successfully. I thank all the participants for your kind cooperation and support throughout the 3 days of this program. I hope you all would have enjoyed all the sessions right from 22nd May to 24th May, 3 days. And we hope that all the participants would have gained some knowledge about the DNA barcoding. As I already told in the first session about the program, our department, PG and Research Department of Biotechnology, is used to conduct hands-on training on DNA barcoding at national level with 40 participants. Each participant was given hands-on training on all the steps of DNA barcoding. But this time, due to lockdown, we were able to conduct the virtual workshop on DNA barcoding with video, with different videos on each topic. And we came to know that all the participants have commented on each and every session of this 3-day program. I thank all the participants for a wonderful comments they have given to us. Many participants have appreciated our efforts and the slides, videos, and the knowledge also. On behalf of the Islamia College, on behalf of Department of Biotechnology, on behalf of the organizing committee and my own behalf, I once again thank you all for your cooperation. That we would like to share some glimpses of our DNA barcoding project work which we are pursuing in our research department of biotechnology. So, after the concluding remark, some slides will be shown which will show you the activities of our DNA barcoding project on Ascidians. Many participants have commented that they wanted to participate in hands-on training in our lab itself. I am very happy to know that, and I am sure that we will conduct the workshop come hands-on training on DNA barcoding in near future, and when we plan to organize hands-on training program, we will inform you all. Those who are interested to get hands-on training on all steps of DNA barcoding can participate in the near future programs. So with this, I conclude the entire program, 3 days program, and I express my sincere and heartfelt thanks to all the participants, my research team members, the resource persons, and the Department of Biotechnology. Thank you, one and all. Now you can see some glimpses of our research activity on DNA barcoding of Ascidians in our partially sponsored DPT lab. Thank you, one and all. See, this is our DPT sponsored research laboratory. It's a part of our research laboratory. And we have collected the Ascidian samples in many coastal zones along the Gulf of Mannar, and we have extended our collection spot to the Vizhinjam Bay, located in southwest coast of India in Trivandrum. So these are some of the glimpses of the collections our team carried out in different places, sampling of Ascidians. And we have sampled in the marine structures which were immersed into the sea water. So we have collected the samples from different marine structures also. This is another collection site. So this is the way our team member is collecting the samples from the shallow water region. So these are some of the samples which we have collected from the Gulf of Mannar. They are nothing but Ascidian species. After the collection, we brought all the samples in a preserved conditions to our laboratory, where we have refreshed the samples with respective preservatives. And first we have identified the collected specimens based on the morphological taxonomy. Myself and Dr. T. Tamilselvi, Associate Professor of Zoology, 3V College, Virudhunagar, Tamil Nadu. So, Dr. Tamilselvi and myself are the professional taxonomists of Ascidian species. And I already told you, we are regularly conducting hands-on training program for the limited number of participants. So this is a part of our hands-on training program. Many participants have involved and the resource person is explaining the procedures. Here, cursor. Here the cursor shows one of my research team member, Mr. Soban Akram. Next to him is Dr. B. Kalimullah Khan. He gave the lecture on the quantification of DNA in this workshop. So these two members were explaining the different protocols of DNA barcoding in our laboratory for the participants. And these are the participants. Each and every individual participants were given hands-on training in the isolation procedure of and also in the PCR amplification procedure. So the participants are actively participating in preparing the master mix for the PCR reaction, and the quantification was done in the UV visible spectrophotometer. Here the participants, the individual participant is given opportunity to operate the UV visible spectrophotometer, and each participant was asked to quantify their own DNA isolated. So this is a PCR work the participants are doing, and this is Dr. Kalimullah Khan, and next to right to him is Mr. Kalim Arshan. They are actively involving in explaining the DNA barcoding steps, isolation procedure to the participants. And this is myself explaining the submission of gene sequences in NCBI and BOLD as a hands-on training. Each participant was given a separate system and asked to download the free softwares, and each participant was doing the sequence submission procedure. So this is a part of the participants in our FIST sponsored laboratory. So this is we have stored the voucher specimens in our laboratory. This is a part of our laboratory, and this is our research team from the collection station, Tuticorin Harbour. Okay, thank you one and all for your kind cooperation and patient listening. Thank you all. Thank you.